Okay, I'm gonna get. Oh, okay. I was just gonna call you. Okay, no. Come here. I'm gonna film you. I want to ask you something. Ian, come here. Your phone call's over? Your phone call's over?
Yeah.
Okay. How'd it go?
Yeah, that was over. Yep.
Okay. And listen, look at my quilt. What?
The sky.
Yeah.
And the grass.
You see that?
It's now a landscape.
Okay. So, you see what I did with the triangles? Remember, you watched the video and you were watching, yeah. So I put the triangles up there. They're a little bit wonky.
And these ones here.
I put them there.
That to me looks like the edging of a pathway.
Oh.
You know, the girl is dancing along on the edge of a pathway out in the field. Yes, beautiful.
So you like it?
Oh wow, do I like it. And this is a Ukrainian girl, right?
Yeah. That's the Ukrainian panel.
It's so appropriate.
So you like the sky. Should the sky be wider?
No.
Okay. Should the grass be wider or thinner?
No.
No.
Now you're going to have this border all the way around.
Yeah. I'm going to put white where you see the backing. You see the tablecloth.
I just watched your last video.
Yeah.
And you're going to put rickrack around here, right?
Yes, I'm going to put rickrack there and down to there.
So appropriate.
No, I'm not going to put it on the bottom. I'm going to put it.
I'm just going to do the three.
Just the three sides.
Three sides, yeah. Because don't put it at the bottom because that doesn't need separating from.
Yeah. So that's. So I actually turn them into the whole blocks then. So you like it?
One of my favourites. Too many favourites.
You always say they're your favourites, but it was your idea because you said you didn't like the border, the panel right at the top.
No.
But you like it in this.
Now you've put it actually in a landscape.
Yeah, it is.
It's almost like mountains in the background.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. I don't want to get out my other sewing machine, so I'm not going to be doing it.
This reminds me of that documentary we just saw about.
What documentary?
Alaska.
Oh yeah. But she's dancing in a garden, and she's not in Alaska, Ian.
Yeah, but Alaska in the summertime is gorgeous.
But she's Ukrainian.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Do Ukrainians have mountains?
Yeah.
Okay. She's
somewhere.
Okay, thank you for your input.
The Urals?
So you like it?
Urals.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, good.
Can't wait to see it finished. It always gets so much better when you add the final touches.
And when it's quilted. It's very flat. A quilt is always flat and one-dimensional until you actually quilt it with the the batting and the backing.
All we need is a wall to put it on.
I know. I'm going to put it in the sewing room.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I'm going to move that other one. We only have one wall left.
And we've got the stairwell.
Oh, I know. I'm going to hang my other quilt in the stairwell.
Oh, we've got two sides to the stairwell.
I know, and you said I couldn't put one on the other side. I want to hang one. You're wrong? Oh, I got that on video. All right, thank you. Bye. Yeah, so here's what I've done. These mountains, I'm just going to raw edge them. I did a seam there. Again, that white line won't be there because there will be the rickrack coming down. And it's a little bit wonky over here, the triangles, but I quite like that. And then when I do put the white, that's just the backing, my design wall, and then put this colorful border around it. Yeah, as Ian says, it's sort of taking on more of a landscape look with my clouds. Pretty fabric. And my grass, my limey, it's not lime green, it's more yellowy green. It's pretty. Yeah, I'm pleased. And it has Ian's approval.